Do you know about acceptance and commitment therapy? Are you ready to take your ACT practice to the next level? No matter where you are in your ACT learning or what your fluency in ACT is, our ACT training series can help you get where you want to be. Act 1, for professionals with little to no prior experience with ACT. ACT Bootcamp, for professionals with little to no prior experience with ACT and who want to accelerate learning with full ACT immersion training. Act 2, for professionals who practice ACT but want more hands-on experience. Act 3, for professionals already using ACT who want to apply it to their most complex cases. Act 2, Clinical Skills Building Intensive. Led by ACT co-founder Dr. Stephen C. Hayes, Act 2 is one of our most highly rated workshops. While this workshop provides many learning opportunities for those already familiar with ACT's 6 core processes, even seasoned ACT clinicians will find new methods to hone their skills and become more effective in session. Rather than a lecture format seminar, Act 2 will help you develop a strong ACT foundation through multiple rounds of interactive, experiential skill-building exercises, helping you develop pragmatic skills to take immediately into your clinical practice. The goal of Act 2 is for attendees to leave the workshop with a better understanding of the ACT model and be able to successfully apply ACT techniques in a fluid, flexible manner in order to move in real time toward whatever direction makes sense for clients. The net result? Better clinical outcomes. Consider attending an Act 2 workshop if you are practicing ACT, but you want more hands-on practice, are practicing ACT, but find yourself stumbling from process to process in session, are practicing ACT, but it feels too rigid, or you're struggling to embody the practice in an organic way, feel stuck with ACT, and aren't sure how to unstick.
Dr. Hayes was very engaging and interesting. His role plays and experiential activities were hugely beneficial.
Excellent training. This was the perfect focus for clinicians at the intermediate level of training with ACT.
Outstanding. I wish we could have had another 2 days.
For more information, visit praxiscet.com. Join us at an Act 2 training. Praxis Continuing Education and Training.
Many voices.
One work.